consider this. Work out 7/11ths plus 2 33s. We'll have a go at doing this on the next slide. 11 and 33 will both divide into 33. So we write down the 33 as you can see. 11 divided into 33 goes 3 times. We then multiply this by 7, which is the numerator. 33 divided into 33 goes once. We then multiply this by 2, which is the numerator. We need to bring this plus sign down to here. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 times 2 is 2, and all of this has to be divided by the 33. This equals 21 plus 2 is 23, and this is divided by 33. Therefore, 7/11ths plus 2 33s will equal 23 33s.